Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into an incredible and important topic: the carb that is more dangerous to your health than sugar. The carb we're discussing is refined flour. So, come on and join us as we deeply explore why refined flour can have such detrimental effects on your health and how you can minimize its impact on your body. Carbs and their molecular composition. Carbohydrates, or carbs, are a type of macronutrient found in many foods. They consist of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms and are classified as simple or complex based on their molecular structure. Simple carbs are made up of one or two sugar molecules and are quickly absorbed by the body, while complex carbs contain 3 or more sugar molecules and take longer to digest. The glycemic index. The glycemic index, also known as GI, measures how quickly a carbohydrate-containing food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a high GI cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, while those with a low GI lead to slower, more gradual increases. This index helps guide healthy food choices, especially for people with diabetes. Refined flour and its production. Refined flour, also known as white flour, is made by processing whole grains to remove the bran and germ, leaving only the starchy endosperm. This process strips away essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. In other words, all nutrients. The resulting flour has a fine, smooth texture and a longer shelf life, making it popular in many baked goods and processed foods. White flour and glycemic index. Refined flour has a high glycemic index, which means it can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This is because the processing removes the fiber, allowing the body to digest and absorb the carbohydrates quickly. White flour and insulin resistance. The consumption of refined flour can lead to insulin resistance, a condition in which the body's cells don't respond properly to insulin. This can result in higher blood sugar levels and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. White flour and weight gain. Refined flour can contribute to weight gain due to its high glycemic index and low fiber content. The rapid spikes in blood sugar can lead to cravings and overeating, while the low fiber content may not provide a sense of fullness. White flour digestion and absorption. Since refined flour is very processed, it is quickly digested and absorbed by the body, causing rapid increases in blood sugar and insulin levels too. This can lead to fluctuations in energy levels and potential long-term health issues like overweight, insulin resistance, prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, and others. Flour and type 2 diabetes. The high glycemic index of refined flour can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This, by causing insulin resistance and placing a strain on the pancreas, which produces insulin. Flour and heart health. Excess consumption of white flour can negatively impact heart health. It may lead to elevated blood pressure and high cholesterol and triglyceride levels, increasing the risk of heart disease. Refined flour and liver health. White flour intake can contribute to fatty liver disease by increasing insulin resistance and promoting fat storage in the liver. Flour and brain health. Refined flour consumption may impact brain health by causing fluctuations in blood sugar levels. This can lead to mood swings and difficulties with concentration and memory. White flour and inflammation. Refined flour has been linked to increased inflammation in the body, which can contribute to various health issues such as arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Flour and leaky gut syndrome. White flour may contribute to leaky gut syndrome by disrupting the gut microbiome and increasing intestinal permeability, allowing harmful substances to enter the bloodstream. Flour and dental health. Consuming refined flour can negatively impact dental health by providing fuel for harmful bacteria in the mouth, leading to cavities and gum disease. Flour and skin health. White flour may contribute to skin issues such as acne and premature aging due to its impact on blood sugar and insulin levels, which can influence hormone production and inflammation. White flour and hormonal balance. Refined flour can disrupt hormonal balance due to its effect on blood sugar and insulin levels. This disruption can impact various bodily functions and lead to symptoms such as acne, dark stains in skin, mood swings, fertility issues, and weight gain. Flour and other effects on health. Aside from the issues mentioned, refined flour consumption can also impact overall energy levels and nutrient intake due to its lack of essential nutrients, and also because of its capacity to induce inflammation. This effect by itself can reduce nutrient absorption. This can lead to feelings of fatigue and deficiencies in vitamins and minerals. Refined flour is a carb that possesses significant risks to your health. By understanding its impact and taking steps to minimize its consumption, you can support your overall health and well-being. It lacks nutrients. The refining process strips refined flour of important nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's very low in fiber or has no fiber at all. White flour contains very little to no dietary fiber, which is important for digestion and overall health. Found in processed foods, white flour is a common ingredient in processed foods such as bread, pastries, pasta, and baked goods. Less satiating. Foods made with refined flour may be less filling and satisfying compared to other whole foods. The low fiber content in refined flour can result in reduced feelings of fullness. Caloric density. White flour-based products can be high in calories, especially when combined with fats and sugars. Reduced nutrient absorption. Refined flour lacks the nutrients needed to support proper absorption and metabolism of other nutrients, as well as its high inflammatory capacity. Potential for overeating. Foods made with white flour can be more palatable, potentially leading to overeating. The impact blood lipids. Frequent consumption of refined flour can contribute to an unfavorable lipid profile. Effect on energy levels. Rapid spikes in blood sugar from white flour can lead to energy crashes and contribute to mood swings and irritability. Associated with metabolic syndrome. Overconsumption of white flour can be linked to the development of metabolic syndrome. Blood pressure. The consumption of refined flour can impact blood pressure negatively. Decreased satiety hormones. Foods with white flour can lead to altered levels of satiety hormones like leptin and ghrelin. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, refined flour, also known as white flour, is a commonly used carbohydrate that poses significant risks to your health when consumed excessively. While it is popular due to its fine texture and versatility in baking and cooking, its high glycemic index and lack of essential nutrients can lead to a range of health problems. White flour undergoes processing that removes the bran and germ from the whole grain, leaving only the starches. This process strips away vital nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals, resulting in a product that can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels due to its quick digestion and absorption in the body. The high glycemic index of refined flour leads to increased blood sugar levels and, consequently, higher insulin levels. This can contribute to insulin resistance and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels can also lead to cravings and overeating, potentially resulting in weight gain. Beyond blood sugar and insulin issues, excessive consumption of refined flour can negatively impact various aspects of health. Elevated blood pressure and cholesterol levels may arise due to high white flour intake, increasing the risk of heart disease. Insulin resistance and increased fat storage in the liver can contribute to fatty liver disease. Fluctuations in blood sugar levels can affect mood, concentration, and memory. White flour has been linked to increased inflammation in the body, which can exacerbate conditions such as arthritis. The impact on the gut microbiome and increased intestinal permeability can lead to leaky gut syndrome. Flour consumption can fuel harmful bacteria in the mouth, leading to cavities and gum disease. The effects on blood sugar and insulin levels can result in skin issues such as acne, dark stains, and premature aging. Hormonal imbalances may occur due to the disruption of blood sugar and insulin levels, causing mood swings, infertility and other problems. While white flour is a common ingredient in many recipes and foods, it is important to be mindful of its potential negative effects on health. Making conscious choices to minimize its consumption and opt for whole foods and lower glycemic index alternatives can support overall health and well-being. By understanding the risks associated with white flour and taking proactive measures to avoid its consumption, you can better manage your blood sugar levels, maintain a healthy weight, and support the health of your heart, liver, brain, and other vital organs. Always aim for a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods to achieve optimal health and wellness. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, Leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.